Okay, welcome. My name's Graeme. Look, if you're wondering on how you could make money online creating ebooks, this review I hope will really open things up for you. It's about a product called Scribble, and there have been many products in the past where ebook creators, or what the majority of people do, is go to websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and those sort of, and pay someone else, $400, $300, $500, $1,000 to have, an ebook creator for them. So Scribble has changed all that. There is another program called Designer, and Scribble just leaves it for dead. So what is Scribble? Well, it's a software created by two guys in the UK, Adil and Ali, and it will generate ebooks on demand. It's world-breaking new technology. So most people, think they've got to be able to write, they've got to be able to design, they've got to be able to use software, Adobe, Photoshop, all those things. This takes all that away from you. So you can create ebooks without even being able to write. Like, included in this, you've got 50, templates, 300 odd style layouts, unlimited pages, and you can sell them to the clients. As I say, you could go into a business of making ebooks for people. It's really easy to use. It's 15 niches, categories already included in it. And one of the great things is that even if you're not a writer, included in this, you can auto create content. It sucks content, and you can put that content into a book. And you get a commercial license as well as an agency license with it. So now when you're viewing this, I'm not sure how much it will be. It's had a couple of prices after the launch. It's gone up and gone down. So, they have special offers on. So whatever the price is on the screen when you go to it will be the price. But look, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe or wait till the end, because I have an offer for you. But you need to wait to the end to get access to that. All right, so some of the benefits, it really is easy to use. And the designs are stunning. Like, people can write ebooks as a book. People use them for lead generation, and as I said, many people can pay thousands of dollars, and you can come across as a professional that can create these professional, well-written books for top businesses. Instant content, you get a commercial license as well as an agency license. All right, you can see I've got it open. It's just a bit of an example of creating some content, and there's really good instructional videos on how to use Scribble inside of it. So no more hours of wasting time working out, what are you going to say? Well, if you're writing a book and you've researched a book, you can put your own content in or use the content that's in there. Really, pretty easy. 3 simple steps. You pick a template, some beautiful looking templates, and that's what will appeal to people, is the cover as well, like those beautiful covers of books. And most people have to pay to get those done. Step 2, you add your content. So you can either use the instant content, or you can put your own content into the book. And then you customize and publish it, and it really is that simple. Like, even all the backgrounds of the books, you can change the color of the background, you can change the page color, you can change the font color, all at the click of a button. Drag and drop. And as you can see, I'm just on the home page, and I haven't used this, but I've gone in and had a look at it, because I'm not doing ebooks at the moment. That's the only reason. But it's eye-dropping what it will do. Not only, you can use it to generate reports as well. It doesn't have to be a book. It'll generate your table of contents automatically number the pages for you. The headers and the footers, they're editable. You can generate. It'll automatically generate them. Automatically generate page numbers. As I said before, it's drag and drop, and everything is fully customizable with unlimited pages, and you can add your own design elements. It's the only ebook creator you'll ever need. It's the latest technology. It's easy and quick to use. It's got all the templates you'll need, in 15 categories. Most of the all the common categories that you need are included. So if you've wanted to know how to make money online creating ebooks and without any experience before, this is it. This is it. You make a book in a few minutes. What if you could make a book which you sell for $500, your services for $500? You go to the likes of Fiverr or Upwork, any of those outsourcing websites, and you advertise that you write beautiful ebooks, you create beautiful ebooks, and you value your time with the examples that you give. If you could, and you charge $500 per book, you only need to do 2 of those. So there's $1,000 a week. That would replace most people's income. You can charge whatever you like. Again, you create the ebook with Scribble, share the auto-generated private link with clients, and get their feedback. And there really are thousands of hungry clients, with budgets looking to do to create ebooks, reports, and PDFs, wanting someone to do it for them because they don't know how. And that's just an example. One page there, 173 jobs, budgets. Here it even gives you examples. Where do you find clients? Like Upwork, Craigslist, marketing forums, Warrior Forum, LinkedIn, Fiverr, Facebook. So it's almost almost a business in a box, even though it's not. There's some testimonials from some very well-known, successful internet marketers and people that have used the ebook creation software, and some more testimonials by people that are using it. So just a quick recap on what you get. You get the Scribble software, 50 unique ebook templates, hot niches, automatic content generator, which is it's a killer. That you can create content from going to putting a keyword in or putting another website in and having it create an ebook from that. Automatic table of contents, generate your table of contents, generate headers and footers, and they're editable. Automatic page numbering, easy drag and drop design, and you can have unlimited pages. Add whatever media you want, and they're fully customizable. Not only that, you've got 300 plus Google fonts, more than you'll ever need, and you can sell your ebooks for a profit, which is what I said, how to make money online creating ebooks, even if you've got no experience. And you get a free commercial license and a free agency license. Okay, so look, as I said, I'm not sure what the price will be when you go to the link in this video, as it's changed a bit. Just about the creators, Adil. Has been an entrepreneur for years. He has made millions through the internet, through ethically making products available. He's a speaker. Ali, who I've had quite a bit to do with over the last few years, he was an ex-cop, and his brother showed him what he was doing on the internet. And Ali came on board and studied under him and worked really hard. He didn't get to where he was just because of his brother. Ali went on a mission to discover what it would take, and he's had his ups and downs, but I really take my hat off to Ali. So, and there's just an FAQ. So look, if you're really wanting to make money creating ebooks or making ebooks or reports, this software is what you've been looking for. Now, if it's your first time here, I appreciate you subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button. If you want to be notified of more videos as I make them, hit the bell icon. Now, I said if you'd wait till the end, I had a special offer for you. I believe in this so much. Look, if you were to purchase this product through my link in the description box, what I want to give you is a copy of my 24-hour ranking system, how you can rank YouTube videos on the front page of Google within 24 hours. Now, it's valued at $997. You purchase this product in the link in the description box below. Contact me via email and I'll make that available to you. All right, look forward to talking to you again soon.